myEcon long-term results. What this looks like after 6, 12, and 24 months. If you're watching this video, chances are you're not asking, what is myEcon anymore? You're asking a much more important question. What does myEcon actually look like long-term? Not in 30 days, not next week, not with hype or promises, but 6 months, 12 months, even 2 years down the road. In this video, I'm going to break down what realistic long-term results with myEcon actually looks like, what compounds over time, and why people who stay consistent see results that most people never reach. Here's the first thing you need to understand about myEcon. myEcon is not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not a get-rich-overnight program. And the people who approach it that way usually quit before anything meaningful even happens. myEcon is a financial education system designed to work the same way wealth works in real life. Slow at first, then steady, then compounding. If you're searching for myEcon results, does myEcon really work? Or is myEcon worth it long term? This is the conversation you actually need to hear. Let's start with the first 6 months. This phase is about foundation, not flash. During the first 6 months, most people experience learning how income shifting works, understanding how taxes actually affect your paycheck, beginning credit improvement strategies, gaining clarity around debt elimination, building financial awareness most people never even develop. This is also where people say, nothing is happening yet. But behind the scenes, this is where habits change, knowledge compounds, and leaks in your finances start closing. Most people quit right here. Now let's talk about 6 to 12 months. This is where things begin to feel different. By this stage, people typically see increased take-home pay through proper tax strategies at their current jobs, noticeable credit score improvements, reduced interest paid on existing debt, better financial decision-making, confidence instead of confusion. This is also where people stop asking, is myEcon legit? And start asking, how do I optimize this? This is where consistency begins to reward patience. Let's talk about the long game, 12 to 24 months. This is where your compounding becomes visible. At this range, many people, most people, experience stronger credit profiles, less dependency on high interest debt, more control over cash flow, strategic tax positioning, optional income opportunities through education sharing. This is where myEcon stops feeling like a program and starts feeling like a system you operate. This is what people mean when they say, myEcon changed how I think about money. Now, here's the truth that most videos aren't going to tell you. Moving on here. Most people never see long-term results with myEcon. Most people never see them. Most people never see long-term results with myEcon because they rush the process, they skip the education, they compare timelines, they expect instant outcomes, and they quit too early. Everything that I've been saying all throughout this series. If you're looking for long-term financial control, education you can actually use, systems that compound over time, and a realistic path instead of hype, this is it. This is where it is. myEcon deserves your serious consideration. I deserve your serious consideration, and you deserve my 100% full attention, which you will get if you go through myEconDream.com. Doesn't matter to me if you join through somebody else and you have questions, you can still reach out to me. I don't care. I'll answer you. But Everybody that's on my team through myEconDream.com comes first. So you send me a message, you're on my team, you go to the top of the list. I'm working on messages that I got like 3 days ago now. I'm trying to keep up with everything, but I can't. I'm trying. But again, you're on my team, your message goes to the front of the line. So if you've watched this entire myEcon series so far, you now understand myEcon better than most people who talk about it online. Take your time, review the series, make decisions based on clarity and not pressure. Additional myEcon resources are linked in the description. I'm going to link my Digital Web King site there for my full system breakdown. I'm going to link, and that's also the Digital Web Kings podcast you can find there. And I'm also going to link myEconDream.com there. And if you have any questions, make sure you reach out. Make sure you're subscribed so you get notified, because I'm going to keep uploading these every single day. When I get people asking me questions, I'm going to make a video about it, and I'm going to put it up here. So make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you hit that like button for me. And make sure you leave me a comment and let me know if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.